students, now I am going to discuss the question number 7 of exercise 8.2. Write as a fraction in the lowest term. Children, here you can see some numbers are given to you in the decimal form and we are asked to write them in fraction, and further we have to reduce the fraction in the lowest term as well. See the first decimal number, it is 0.06. Now in this decimal number you can see there are two digits after the decimal point, right? So when you write this decimal number in fraction, you have to remove the decimal point, and when you remove the decimal point, two zeros will come down. So it will be 6 upon 100. So 6 upon 100 is the fraction form. Now let us reduce this fraction into the lowest term. Now in 6 and 100 there is a one common factor 2. 2 divide both 6 and 100. So if we divide 6 by 2, we'll get 3. 2 3s are 6. And if we divide 100 by 2, we'll get 50. Hence 3 upon 50 is the lowest term. Similarly, we can write 0.05 in fraction as 5 upon 100. Now 5 and 100 both are divisible by the number 5. So let us divide both numerator and denominator by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, and this 0 will come at the end. Hence 1 upon 20 is the lowest term. Now 0.75 we can write as 75 by 100 in the fraction form. Now 75 and 100 both are divisible by the number 5, 25. But here I am going to divide both numerator and denominator by the number 25. You can divide it by 5 as well. Now let us divide 75 by 25. 25 3s are 75 and 25 4s are 100. Hence 3 upon 4 is the lowest term. And now the last one. The decimal number here you can see 0.125. Now in this decimal number there are 3 digits after the decimal point, right? So when you remove the decimal point while writing the fraction, 3 zeros will come down. Hence the fraction form will be 125 divided by 1000. Now let us reduce 125 by 1000 to its lowest term. Now in 125 and 1000 there are so many common factors. You can divide by any one of them. Here I am going to divide 125 and 1000 by the number 25. 25 5s are 125. Then 25 4s are 100, and this 0 will come at the end. So it is 40. So here we got 5 by 40. Now is 5 by 40 in its lowest term? No. In 5 and 40 again there is a one more common factor, that is 5. 5 8s are 40. So let us divide both numerator and denominator by 5 again. 5 ones are 5 and 5 8s are 40. Now the lowest term is 1 upon 8. So likewise you can do the remaining examples given in your textbook.